What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video, and today we're looking at a trade I took on EURGBP for 75 pips. Now, if we look into the past, we can see that we have this area of support being created, and every time price comes back into this area, some sort of reversal pattern is being made. So we have a double bottom here. We have a double bottom here, and also if you're an experienced trader, you can also see the inverted head and shoulders right here, and then we also have another inverted head and shoulders right here. So this is one of my favorite patterns to trade. So when I saw this, I just couldn't pass it up. Plus it's at a really good area in the market that was being constantly rejected. So if we look right here, we can see that this area is roughly the neckline. If we zoom into the 15-minute chart, we can see that price also gives us a retest of the neckline right here, then goes up, and then also retests this small level right above it. So when I saw both of these retests of the level and I saw that price was slowly moving its way up and changing structure, I knew this is where I had to place my entry. So I ended up placing it right here where this blue line is. And my take profit, as always, is where the formation starts. So we can see that the formation started up here. This is what created the first shoulder, was this push right here. So I went ahead and placed my take profit in that area, and this trade netted me 75 pips. So as always, this was a really simple trade. I like to keep trading as simple as it possibly can be. And if you guys have any questions over anything that I talked about in this video, please leave a comment below and I'll be more than happy to help you out. And if you want to see when I take all of these trades live, go ahead and follow me on Facebook and Instagram and check out my stories. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video.